What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do a hardcore review on my new oil can. Look at that beauty. We are going to oil the crap out of some things and see how this holds up to some serious freaking abuse. Just kidding. I don't really care about my little oil can. Just thought you'd want to see it. We are, however, though, going to take it easy today. And since it's nice. Oh, sorry that was so close. I'm going to put in a new battery for the Nova and a new floor switch. I don't know if you guys remember when I was doing my headlights just a little bit ago. The floor switch, whenever you hit it, it would like short out and cut out. So we're going to put this switch in, put the battery in, probably pull the Nova in the garage, and somewhat adjust the headlights. So it hasn't been started for a while. Last time we tried to start it, it was dead. So I'm going to get set up, and I think we'll do this switch first. So here's the floor switch. It's kind of buried underneath the floor, so I'm going to take off this sill, we'll pull this plastic out, and then we'll peel the floor back. So I'll get my screwdriver and start taking this crap off. Just pulling the last screw on this. Hopefully there's no surprises underneath this. It's just dirty. I like what I see. No one wants to pull that crap off and find rust or anything other surprises down there, so I think I just gotta do all these ones and then pull it back. Yeah, because I almost got it right now. Maybe I'll just do it right here. This will be a good reveal on the floor too. Oh yeah, we'll get this. There we go. So this is a little wet, and oh, son of a mother. There's a hole right there. Dang it. Yep, there's some holes right there. Little pinholes. Crap. Oh well. You know what? That will not be worried about anytime in the near future. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for that. This looks pretty similar, but I need a little wrench for that, so I'm gonna get that and I'll pull it out. Okay, so here's this one out. It looks pretty nasty. Could be original, who knows? It's a lot taller than this new one. I guess not. Well, hold on. I guess it's not like a lot taller. Can you see right there? So now, before I put this back in, I want to find some contact cleaner for that plug. I need it for the plug underneath the hood anyways too, because remember last time where you couldn't get the passenger side light to come on and then I wiggled the plug and then it came on because that terminal just needs to be cleaned. So let me see if I can find my little terminal file. Okay, I got some couple different files here. Got this one, the pointed tip, pretty flat. I also got this one with a square tip, pretty flat, but I'm worried that they're going to be too thick for the terminals, so I'll try putting them in the plug, but if they won't go in, I'm not going to force it because I don't want the terminals to spread open so that they don't sit tight on these. But I will spray it with contact cleaner first, and then try to get the file in there and see how it does, and then I'll clean it the best I can and then put that new plug back in. Okay, it's all mounted up, so before I tuck all this stuff back in, I'm going to do the headlight switch now. Not the headlight switch, but the headlight plug in the front, and then let me just show you. So it was this plug right here that's completely corroded and dirty. So I'm going to clean that before I put the battery in. And I'm going to zip tie all these wires that I'm not using on both sides. And then I'll put the battery in. So I'm going to do that first. Okay, battery is back in. Let's check the lights, see if they work. They are both on. Let me check this switch. Let's go look to see what's happening, if they're turning on. Kind of hard to tell. Okay, so those are normal beams. See if that's high beams. Oh, look at that pile. So something's not happening with that one over there. But yet the low beam works. I think I'm gonna have to find a new terminal for that side, because inside that terminal connection I noticed that one of the contacts was really jacked up, busted, so I think that's why that side's not working. But everything's good in here and that switch is done. Let me clean all this up, button all this up so I can get it in the garage and we can get it against the wall and at least do like a ghetto alignment on the light. Okay, all back together. Now let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. Last time we didn't have a lot of luck. So I don't know the trick to firing this one up because I don't do it very often. Got dash lights, that's good. Some gas. She's alive! Oh my gosh, that exhaust sounds horrible. Horrible. Come to think of it, the 6-cylinder sounds horrible. Oh, motor, please become one with this car. Okay, I'm gonna let it warm up a second and then we're gonna pull in the garage. Be right back. Be right back. it stinks. The back brakes are grabby, but they usually tend to free up after you drive it for a little bit. So, okay, right now here is my headlight line. I'm going to play around with this a little bit. Take some measurements to like the center line of the headlight. Try to get it maybe in line with the center line of the headlight. And kind of adjust it left to right. So, see what happens. I'm having trouble adjusting this headlight because this adjuster up here is not grabbing like it should. And this bucket is wanting to sit all the way at the bottom of this. I don't know why it's doing that, but you can see this one, how it has a gap below. This does not. So I'm just going to drive it and see what it does. Should I just drive it? Let's just drive it? I'll just drive it the way it is. Before I go, I'm going to show you a couple things I did to the 4Runner, in case you care. I put my front skid plate on under there, the bottom cover of the winch. And then I haven't showed you guys anything since I put anything on this back rack. So this is what I put on this rack so far. Fire extinguisher, first aid kit, AR mag holder, shovel, tow strap, and I still got room on this side, so I'm not even going to worry about that side. That side's gone. I'm going to keep in the speaker, and that's what it looks like. So, not much done today, but at least I got a little bit of something done. So, thanks for watching. Oh, it's close. Oh man, those brakes are grabbing.
Are they supposed to sound like that?
No.
That does not sound good.